Replacing the spark plug. Disconnect the ignition coils. Using a socket wrench, loosen the bolts holding the coil pack in place. Once the bolts are loosened, use an air gun to blow any debris out of the spark plug recesses in the cylinder head. Remove the coil packs one by one. Use a spark plug socket to loosen and remove the spark plugs. Keep the socket wrench at a 90-degree angle with the socket. Remove the spark plug for inspection. Consult the vehicle manual to verify the correct specifications for the spark plug. Using a feeler gauge, check if the electrode gap falls within the manufacturer's specification. Put some grease on the first two spark plug threads. Install the new spark plug. Seat the spark plug in the cylinder head. Then turn the spark plug using your hand. Secure the spark plugs by applying the required amount of torque. Reinstall the ignition coils. Reinstall the bolts. Secure the bolts to their required specification. Reconnect the ignition coils.